Well, here I am up near the watershed. My plan was to go up into the watershed, but every winter I forget to take my fenders off and the snow gets dammed up between the fender and the wheel. So I am going to turn around and go home and take the fenders off. So for some reason, short memory, and I'm going to bike down this road and back home and then come back up here later. So goodbye from near the Redmond watershed. I'll try to bike a little bit up here on the way down here, take a little video of me biking. Let's see if I can get on here. And I don't have any gloves on, so my hands are frozen today. So I'll give it a go here. Put my camera down here for a second. Okay, we're off and running. Gonna have to steer with one hand here going through the snow. It's probably, gosh, 4, 5, 6 inches of snow up here, even though it's only about I'd say 300 feet higher than Avondale. And by later today, this will be icy, and a person ideally would have studded tires when it gets icy later, when it gets compresses down. But right now it's pretty sticky, and on a fat tire bike with I have about 20 pounds of pressure. I should have less, but I didn't lower it. I decided to try it this way first. It's not slippery. Even when I brake, the snow is sticky enough up here. So I'm going to say goodbye here. I need to get to my brake with my one and only hand here. And we'll head down the hill to McWhirter Park. And this is what it looks like up here. Extremely quiet and serene. Goodbye, December 26th, 2021 snowstorm.